Okay, so first you attach this bar to this, put a pin through it, it's on both sides. Then in the front, there's this metal bar here with a O-ring and a pin. What you do is, this is the front, you don't mess with this bolt. You just fish the whole rod right through that hole. And then you put the pin in the O-ring on. And then the next step is to do this right here. So first you put this part in, it slides in, and you can twist it so it locks. And put that up there with a pin and O-ring, do that on both sides. And then you take the belt and you just loop it into this and on the other side. And then you take this black piece and you put it through there. And then after you do that, you guide it through this hole and you put an O-ring on the other side. There's a little hole in it.